Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download a SurveyMonkey survey in PDF. Now first I want you to just go ahead and open the survey that you want to download in PDF. So I'm opening up this one right here. And then click here on a design survey in the top panel. Now once this redirects us, I want you to go ahead and click on this print icon. Okay, don't worry, we're going to be downloading a PDF. Just click on this print icon to go ahead and print the survey. And as you can see, the survey will actually be saved as a PDF file. Okay, now before we proceed, let me just mention that this is a premium plan. You would need to upgrade to go ahead and use this feature. So you can choose your print style, either optimized for print or current theme. You can decide to include images, survey title, page numbers, or if you want to print without page breaks, you can toggle this one. You can choose your orientation and even your paper size. And then finally, just click on download PDF and it would begin downloading. Just make sure you have the premium plan. And that is how you download a SurveyMonkey survey in PDF.